Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Here at the Manufactured Housing Expert channel on YouTube, we premiere new and pre-owned home tours on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. Today we are in Barstow Holiday Mobile Home Park. We have 5 refurbished homes for sale, all under $50,000. These are a great deal. Right now we're showing you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. You're gonna wanna stick it out till the end. This is a beautiful master bedroom. It's very large. You're gonna wanna check it out. We hope you enjoy this tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1960 something manufactured home. As you walk in here, as you can see, it's a nice big open area. What a lot of people like is having the separation from the kitchen to the family room and the dining room, giving it a little bit more privacy. They've done a great job with all the interior paint and the flooring. You'll see that they have new countertops. These are laminate countertops, hardwood cabinets. And take a look at this tile backsplash, this mosaic tile glass backsplash. Here is the laundry room. You could have a side-by-side washer dryer. It's a nice large open area. What you can also do is with these accordion doors is shut them for the noise. These are a great feature. Over here to the left is bedroom number 2. Right now we're missing a vanity mirror, but that will be added. You have this nice stack upper and lower cabinets, linen closet. It's a great value. A lot of times storage and cabinet space is limited in these homes. And look at this very spacious master bedroom. It also has like a little extra library or nook for you to do your reading or get some privacy. You could set this up as an office. Mirror wardrobe doors, a vanity desk, and this is the first tour of 5. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and check out the links in the descriptions. We hope you enjoyed this tour.